We are here at Bridging Communities Regional Career and Technical Center speaking with Jason Morris, who has been working in 3D printing for about a year. What is 3D printing?
3D printing is pretty much self-explanatory. It's printing, but adding some depth to it. So it's kind of like taking a whole bunch of sheets of paper and stacking them on top of each other.
What 3D technology are you familiar with? Please briefly explain how it works.
Well, this is the MakerBot stuff, but it works. It just runs a line across and just keeps building it up and building it up until you get a full picture.
What types of raw material have you used in 3D printing?
We've only used plastic, but there's plenty of other things. You can use metal. You can even use human cells or animal cells to print different heart. You can print hearts for like surgery patients or things like that. So it's pretty interesting.
Do you use a scanner to upload your design or CAD software? If you use CAD, which programs have you been familiar with?
Yeah, we have the scanner right here. It's the Digitizer, and we use AutoCAD, which is really it's a great program.
What type of objects have you printed?
Well, we have this little Christmas ornament here, which I really like, and I'm printing a little flower design right now. But we also have a T-Rex, a pencil holder, and some other kinds of ornaments. So, yeah.
What are a couple of applications that are currently being used by 3D printing?
Well, I know of there's this house that somebody printed with a 3D printer. So it's like they got the pipes and the water and the electrical systems all combined together in it. So you can instantly build houses. You can build even if a building's collapsed, you can build it back up from where it's collapsed at. So.
Are there any 3D printing innovations that interest you? Please explain.
As I talked about before, there was 3D printing the heart, and I thought that was really interesting because you could just remove a person's heart and then put it back in, and it'll pump really well because it's using your own cells, and it seems to be really innovative, and it'll work very well, hopefully.
How will 3D printing change your life?
I think it'll change everyone's life. I mean, in the future, you'll be able to 3D print your food, 3D print all of your the supplies you need. You probably won't even have to go to the store to get things. So it's 3D print a car, 3D print anything you need. So.
Thank you, Jason, for taking your time to speak with us today.